Hello, today in this video I'll be going over the settings for the order cubes. So we have our main menu where we have the order cube status, which is the one we use the most. If you go into the side menu, you will see tables. We can go into there. Once in tables, this will be the view of all your tables in the restaurant. By clicking on a cube, it will show you a menu like this where you can make a cube blink to identify it, and also close cubes manually one by one. Also, in the same menu, you can change a table number by clicking at the top and changing the number to what you like and then saving your changes. If you click edit at the bottom right corner, then you can move tables around how you like. When a pay or service button is touched, it will also change colors on the map. Also, when a table is in use, the cube will change to a dark gray color. In the side menu, you will also see areas and stations. If we go into there, this is where we can adjust our stations and areas. It will have similar features to the map area. Just by clicking on a cube in a section, you can turn it off manually or make it blink to identify it. And in the side menu, you will see team. That is where you can create new manager accounts or waiter accounts. Next, in the settings, this is where we can change the colors for the cubes. When changing colors for the cubes, you will always want to select profile 1. So once in profile 1, you will see service, pay, and candle. In candle mode, this is where you can control the speed of the candle flickering and also the flickering intensity. If you go into service, this is where you can control the time from the color changing from blue to pink. This will also be the determined time before you get a notification for the overweight due. Once all your changes are made, you're going to want to save the changes at the bottom and then reselect the profile 1 and apply it to all of your cubes as shown. Now I'm going to show you an example of the overweight due notification. This will appear after a minute, just as we set it to. On a notification, you can click on the furthest right button, and this will give you a quick view of the map. Back in the settings menu, you will see notifications. This is where you can control which notifications you would like to receive. However, we recommend that you keep all notifications by default. The cubes also have a built-in theft protection, so if a cube is picked up and moved out of its place, you will be notified. The top part will be to set the time before the cube starts to flash blue and red. The bottom will be to set the time before the cube actually starts to alarm and send you a notification. So in total, right now it is set at 21 seconds before the alarm is actually triggered. So it will begin to flash to give a warning, and then around 10 seconds after, it will trigger the alarm as shown. If you would like to disable the alarm, you can go back into theft protection and unselect the notifications as shown. You also have to go into notifications and unselect the theft notifications here as well. So now that all the notifications are disabled, there is no longer going to be an alarm. That's going to be pretty much everything for the settings. We recommend keeping most settings by default.